let's talk about the innovation that sort of drives the L&H brand. And I want to clarify something. I'm asking this question having worked with L&H, but I also ask about companies when I just go around and bring companies up. And people know of L&H as this sort of company that can do the thing other people can't do.
Right.
What is driving that?
So, I mean, it really comes down to our history. We've been in business now for 60 years this year. Gage is one of the third generation ownership. And I think, I've only been here for 12 years myself, but every step along the way, innovation has really been driving everything that we seek to do, both with the products that we manufacture, the equipment that we put into our facilities, and the people we hire. It's really a great organization to work for because you're always doing the right thing to move the industry forward. We're celebrating here 60 years of business, and it's great. We're going to be in October. We're going to all the facilities to celebrate that with all of our employees, and it's great to have the opportunity to do that here on the floor with you, with our suppliers, and with our customers.
What do we have on display? Just quickly, I don't want to spend too much time on it, but I feel like we need to highlight it in the background. What are some of the things we have on display? And both of you want to jump in on that?
Yeah, sure. We really have all of our product lines specifically focused for mining here on display, and it really kind of hits to that innovation line where we started off as an oil and gas company when your grandfather started the business, but now we've grown into a host of product lines. We've got mobile equipment, trucks, dozers, graders, mineral processing. I mean, that one is going to grow leaps and bounds here. Rope shovels, some dragline components we have on display, and then on the far corner, some drills. And then Gage has got some really wild stuff that he's working on too.
What are you working on?
It's called Ops IQ. So it's L&H's form of monitoring and controls. And we started off we purchased a company called Innotech. We started programming PLCs and improving it and monitoring it, which just evolved into this incredible monitoring and controls offering for legacy equipment. That's the big highlight. OEMs will deliver monitoring and controls, but it's specific to what they want or think you should look at. We are customer driven, and we want the customer to be in the decision, the realm of, hey, this is what we think. What do you guys think? And L&H, like Jamie said, has 60 years of backed history in engineering, manufacturing, field services. So we're around all these components, which is a big benefit when you're trying to do monitoring and control. So you can anticipate where it usually fails. Let's put sensors here. Let's do this. Let's do that, and really innovate.
This is a pretty big thing for a market where there is a lot of legacy equipment. I don't know what the percentage is of equipment that's over 5 years old, and especially like on the mineral processing side, I imagine it's probably like 95+%.
Yep.
If I was to guess, no more. So this is a big thing to tell the market, okay, you don't have to buy the new gear anymore.
You don't have to spend $500,000 replacing your equipment because you do want monitoring and controls. And that's kind of what the ideology has been for the last 20 years. If you want the newest thing, you have to buy it. Now we're saying you don't have to buy it. You have to buy a add-on or a plug-in, and we'll help you grow this and build it together.